Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sadaye, Hurriyet, Jammu, Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred two Kashmiri youth in Pulwama district today. The dead bodies of the youth, identified as Musaib Mushtaq and Muzammil Ahmed Rathar, were recovered from the debris of a house destroyed by Indian troops with explosives during a cordon and search operation at Crew in Pampur area of the district. The operation was going on till the last reports came in. The troops also launched a massive operation in different areas of Sopore town today. The military operation in Thanamandi area of Rajouri district continued on the second consecutive day today. Meanwhile, Jammu and Kashmir Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama, an association of leading religious organizations headed by Mirwais Umar Farooq, in a statement in Srinagar, expressed concern over the repeated closure of all major places of worship, including the historic Jamia Masjid Srinagar, by the occupation authorities. People were not allowed to offer congregational Jummah prayers at Jamia Masjid Srinagar and other major mosques of the territory today. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said that human rights violations had shown a massive increase in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir since August 5, 2019, when Modi-led fascist Indian government repelled the special status of the territory and put it under military siege. It deplored that innocent Kashmiri youth were being killed in fake encounters and during so-called coordinated search operations on daily basis by Indian forces. The report said that 410 innocent Kashmiris fell to the Indian bullets since August 5, 2019 till July 2021, and as many as 95,843 Kashmiris were killed since January 1989 in the occupied territory. The family of veteran Hurriyat leader Sayyid Ali Gilani has said that he is stable and fine. Dr. Naseem Gilani, younger son of the veteran leader, talking to media men in Srinagar, said that there was no reality in the rumors about the deterioration of the health of his father. Earlier, there were strong rumors about Sayyid Ali Gilani's fast-falling health in Sopore and other areas of the Kashmir Valley. Tehreek-e-Wahdat-e-Islami, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that continued ban on main processions of Muharram al-Haram and the use of brute force on mourners in the occupied territory are worst examples of state terrorism unleashed on the Kashmiris by Modi-led fascist regime. In India, the president of All India Majlis-e-Ittihad al-Muslimin, Asaduddin Owaisi, speaking at an event in Hyderabad, denounced the Modi government for expressing concern about the condition of women in Afghanistan while turning a blind eye towards the violence against women in India. Two officers of Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force were killed after Naxals attacked a convoy of the paramilitary force near their camp at Kadimeta in Narayanpur district in Chhattisgarh state today. The killed officers were identified as Assistant Commander Sudhakar Shinde and Assistant Sub-Inspector Gurmukh Singh. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadaye, Hurriyet, Jammu, Kashmir.